Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to change background color on Facebook story. So I'll show you the complete process of how you can do it. First of all, open the Facebook application inside your mobile phone and just click on this button called create story. And once you click on create story options, you will see the option to select pictures. If you want to add on picture, if you want to add on text, so you can see the first option called the text. Just click on this text option. And once you click on this text option, you just need to write down, choose the font, whatever you want to choose. Let's say like this is the font that I want to choose, and just write down a random word. You can just choose the color of the text as well. Let's say I want to go with the red color or this blue color. Click on done, and once you click on done, you can see on the right side the most like below option, the last option, which is of the color. Just click on this color option and you can see the multiple colors, like they're mixed colors. You can choose the plain background as well, depending on whatever color you want to go with. Let's say like this is the color that I want to choose. Just choose your text size and everything as well. Just you can just click on the background color, change it according to your needs. You can also choose picture if you want to add picture, depending on whatever you're looking for. Just choose the color and after that you will be able to do it. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can change background color on your Facebook story.